I'm in Bray again, because I forget to tell you every time. Right, I love where I live, but the only problem is you have to drive like at least an hour for a bit of a sunrise swim. I'm dreading this. I know it's going to be absolutely freezing, but as Brian Dunn would say, good for the mind, good for the body. Pretty peaceful. But yeah, only downside to living in Leash, I have to travel like an hour to do this. Definitely worth it though. This sky is just, it's getting better and better. Looks like an album cover. Oh my god, I have my wallet on me. Oh, I'm such an idiot. How did I even manage that? Oh well. There's always something, isn't there? Get the drone.
Before you turn around and walk away.
Hello, Mr. Bird. That was lovely.